Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this backless dress with a tie back detail. If this is something you're interested in, kindly watch till the end because I'll be teaching you the easiest method. Now let's get right into this video. So for this tutorial, the process is simple. I begin by folding my fabric into two to determine both the width and the length of the dress. Now for the width, I'm working with my hip circumference divided by 4, and then I'm adding 1 inch for ease and 1 inch for seam allowance, giving me a total of 2 inches extra. So my round hip is 44 inches divided by 4. That gives me 11 inches plus 2 extra inches, which makes a total of 13 inches. The fabric I'm working with is Adire silk, and it is a light silk that shifts easily. It is important to press it before taking any measurements. Pressing it helps the fabric to stay flat and it prevents it from moving, so your measurements will align properly. So the next thing I'll do is mark out my borderline, which is basically my shoulder line. Now this line serves as a guide for building the rest of the dress. So from that line, I'll come down by 4 inches. So what I did was to place 4 inches on the shoulder line, and then I'm going to take my bust line and my waistline. In this case, it's not really necessary to take your bust line, just your waistline is okay. So after doing that, I'm going to mark that down, and I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side, and I'm going to connect with a straight line. So now I'll move on to the shoulder. Now my shoulder is 16 inches, and when I divide that by 2, that gives me 8 inches. So I'll mark 8 inches on my shoulder line, and then I'll get my hip circumference divided by 4 plus 1 inch extra for ease and an extra 1 inch for seam allowance. And I'm going to connect from my shoulder to my waist with a slant line. So it's going to form like an A-line shape. So the dress length I'm working with is 62 inches. Since my front half length is already marked at 17 inches, I'll start measuring the full length from that waist point. So with my tape placed at the waistline, I'll measure down until I reach 62 inches. Now this gives me the complete length of the dress from the shoulder to the hemline. So the width of my hemline will be 13 inches, the same thing I have on the waistline. So I'm going to put down 13 inches on that hemline, and I'm going to connect all the way to the waistline. And after doing that, I'm going to trim off any excess fabric remaining. So now the next step is to shaping the waistline. Now on the side seam, you notice it looks a bit sharp because of the connection from the hemline to the waistline. So I just blended that in to make it smoother. And after that, I came up by 3 inches. Now depending on how deep you want or how open you want your back to be, you can just adjust it to your desired preference. And I'm going to use the front piece as a guide to cut out the back piece. Yeah, so this is what we have for both the front and the back piece. So the next thing I'm going to do is to hem the sides of the front piece, and then on the neckline I'm going to fold it in by 1 inch. Okay, that's where our loop is going to pass through. Now for the loop, you can use any length you want, but I used about 55 inches for mine. So I'm going to hem both sides and I'll come back to show you what it looks like. So I'm done with that, as you can see, and on the back part I folded it by 1/2 inch on the waist because that's where our elastic is going to pass through, and I also hemmed the neckline for the loop and the side seams as well. You can see how nice that is looking, and I already have my loop with me, so I'll be passing the loop through the neckline. Now, to determine the length of your elastic, what I did was to divide my round waist into 2. So I have a round waist of 31 inches. I divided that by 2 and I subtracted 4 inches. So that's how you get your elastic length. So now I've joined all my pieces together and I cut out my strap. Now each strap measures about 30 inches in length and 2 inches in width, and I'll be attaching them to the sides of the front piece. To determine where to place your straps, simply measure 2 inches up from your waistline. Now the waist of the dress, come up by 2 inches and fix your strap at that point. And this brings us to the end of this tutorial. This is what the dress looks like. Very clean finishing, and honestly one of the easiest methods you'll find. If you enjoyed this video or you watched till the very end, kindly give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.